Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Ethics. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about the differences between the terms information security, cybersecurity, and network security. So if you'll hear these terms for the very first time, then they can look very similar and quite confusing, but today I'll try my best to help you out in this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. InfoSec or information security is the set of practices to keep the data secure from unauthorized access and unauthorized alterations. So basically, it talks about the CIA triad, where CIA stands for the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So it ensures confidentiality because we do not want any unauthorized access of the data that we need to secure. It ensures integrity because we do not want any unauthorized alteration of the data, and it ensures availability as well, as we want our data to be accessed at all times without fail. Here the data that we are talking about can be in any form. It can be in the physical form as well as the digital form. When we talk about the physical form, we talk about the hard copy of the data, that is a paperwork or a document that can be printed, and it contains the information, the confidential information about the company. We can have the data in the form of a digital data, that is about the user's personal information like their credit card information, their name, their address, etc. It can also have the username, password, or the biometric information. So all this information that we have, we need to keep it secure, and all of this, the physical as well as digital information, comes under the information security umbrella. So information security is like the superset of cybersecurity and network security. So the second one is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, and data from malicious attacks. Here, our main focus is on the malicious attacks that are targeted on our organization. The malicious attacks can be malware attacks, phishing attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks, denial of service attacks, etc. So the key difference between information security and cybersecurity is that in information security, we talk about both the physical as well as the digital data, whereas in cybersecurity, we only talk about the digital data. So we can say that cybersecurity is a subset of information security. The people who are working in cybersecurity are mostly the part of a SOC team, which is the Security Operations Center team, where they secure and monitor the system through SIEM, that is Security Information and Event Management, as well as the log analytics tool, so that they can check for any malicious activities in their network. So now let's talk about network security. Network security is the subset of cybersecurity in which we protect the integrity of the network and its resources from unauthorized access. In network security, we protect the organization's IT infrastructure from all kinds of online threats and attacks. Every company uses some techniques to secure their IT infrastructure, like access controls, anti-malware softwares, next-generation firewalls, intrusion detection systems, intrusion prevention systems, VPNs, etc. I hope now you can differentiate between the terms information security, cybersecurity, and network security better. But if you still have more questions, please comment them down below. And if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and share this video with all your friends. With that note, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.